So we've come here for a quick snack, isn't it, RJ?
100%. And you know what the worst bit was, Paavos? You are to blame for this. We were going to keep it clean today, but you knew that we can get corrupted very easily, and you corrupted us today.
Nicely done.
Nicely done. Let's see what Paavos got in store for us. Looks like Paavos been making pizzas for 100 years, I see. Well, Paavos just expanded. Here's Paavo. Paavo, you corrupted us. Oh my god, check out these wings. Garlic parmesan with buffalo sauce, pepperoni and cheese. Look how cheesy that is. And then here we've got Paavo's finest with beef on it. Oh, we still have more stuff coming. Look at this. That is meant to be a pizza roll. Here we go. Look at that. Meatballs pizza roll. Look at that.
It's looking so good. Okay,
Oh, and it's got parmesan crust.
This is a snack for us.
I wish you guys could smell this. It's unbelievable, this food. It's got to be the signature pepperoni. Oh, look at that. Look at the clip like that. Let's see, let's try and get 2 pepperonis in together.
Oh, check out that cheese, guys. In he goes with this, guys. Oh my god, it's just falling all apart. Oh, RJ, oh my god. Oh my god, how does that taste, RJ?
Oh my god.
How does that taste?
Oh my god, I give up. Papa, I don't know what you created here, but it's a pizza roll and you've got meatballs.
Oh my god, that is cheesy. Gosh, they do love the cheese here, don't they?
Oh, look at all gooing out. Now this is the one I've been waiting for.
And that's with hot sauce. Is that hot sauce?
Yes, it's buffalo sauce. This is all garlic parmesan.
Zoom in.
I wish you guys could smell this.
Ooh.
I just wish they could smell this.
That is looking amazing.
Let's go a bit more, because we're feeling spicy today. Where's Paavo? Paavo.
Sadly, I don't think Paavo's around.
Paavo's on my hit list now. Paavo.
Yeah.
The best chicken wings I've had in my life, entire life. Look at that garlic parmesan. Ooh, with buffalo sauce. Cheesy, salty, oh my god, garlicky, crispy, hot, spicy. I can't even stop. They're just words upon words. I don't even know if we could vlog this, you know. I don't even know if we could vlog this. This is gonna have to be for us. Look at that. Oh, ooh, look at that. If you came to Paavos and you didn't eat this, you have missed out big time. Them pizza rolls are amazing. You don't even need a pizza when you have those. Try it with the buffalo sauce. That buffalo sauce is nice. Excuse me. Paavo.
This is good. This is so
Paavo really hit the numbers. If you're staying in one of the hotels here,
in the palm.
you can get this delivered, free delivery. This kind of business would be killing it if it was in England, by the way.
Try this, RJ. This is the lemon pickle sauce. Let's try it.
Lemon chili pickle sauce. Look how much tomato sauce they put on it. Let's try the lemon chili pickle sauce.
I love this.
It's super thin, and in England it's so thick. I can't even believe that. I love the wing.
Oh.
That was super.
Super cheesy. We're finished eating.
We're absolutely stuffed. That's them villas. That's on the actual palm island. You know, the branches of the palm tree. Those islands.
And the pizza place is just that way. The atmosphere is just so nice. Again, so peaceful and calm. And even the apartments, check it out. It's like really nice.
Really nice as well. I think we might have to do a quick Baskin & Robbins mint choc chip ice cream. So I had to do my favourite mint choc chip. And you?
Cookie dough.
So might as well get done passing a Baskin & Robbins.
You finished yours already?
Why not? I love mint choc chip, it goes quick.
Mine looks massive compared to yours. Check that out. You're gonna have to help me with this.
But we couldn't resist ice cream. So
A few moments later.
I had to get another one. You know how much I love mint chocolate chip.
RJ absolutely loves mint chocolate chip.
I like nutty ice cream, but my most favourite is mint chocolate chip.
Because he's nutty.
Yeah, cheers.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is another vlog. We are in this area right now. We're still in the Palm, the west side, and just check it out how lovely this area is. And then you have restaurants here, all the way down. Shisha places further down as well. And we're going to be showing you all these lovely villas that you can see, which we discovered.
But you couldn't really see it.
We are trekking right now.
Look, we've had to put the light on. We're on a mission,
guys. We're on a mission.
Middle of nowhere, and it's like 2 a.m.
It looks like this, guys. Crazy right now.
Look at that. Look how scary that is. We don't even know.
But our memory card's going, so we're going to come back.
Watch out, there might be stray dogs.
Don't say that.
Look, good job I got this torch. Show them how dark it is. Look, it's because of that. This climbing and jumping.
Oh, gosh. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. It's so dark here, guys.
So okay, guys, we made it.
So lovely.
These are owned by all the rich and finest celebrities, etc.
And guys, we want to get inspired right now. We want to get inspired. That's what we want to see the life. Yes, inshallah, one day.
And you know what the thing is, inshallah. And you know what? The best part is.
It's so cool.
You know what the best
And
part
it's so
is?
cool.
We had to do a lot of trekking through ins and outs. Hi. We had to do a lot of trekking through ins and outs, jumping, climbing, and we finally made it.
And to be honest, everyone kept telling us, you can't.
Private island.
It's private. You're not allowed to go there.
Here we are
to be honest,
on a private island.
But look, we tried our luck and we got in. So
there
that it just shows you can't believe everything. Oh wow!
They all have their own designs. Yes.
Oh, I love that one.
What a beauty! What a beauty, mate.
Beauty! It's beauty, mate.
Beauty, mate.
Guys, the security have seen us,
has
and we have not broken the law.
They were so nice to us. No one even mind, even the residents didn't mind, because one of the residents was out. Because Dubai's so safe, they don't have to worry about those things. When we did the same thing in Miami, they were angry because we went onto Millionaires Row, and that's a separate island in Miami. We sneaked on it.
Did we sneak on it?
The taxi driver. We got him to sneak us in. So basically, you know how you have the palm island where it's like a palm tree, and then you've got the branches that come out. This is one of them private islands. What happened was they're having some construction work done on one of the villas, and there's a little alleyway that the workers got through, and because the workers are allowed to come through, we were allowed as well. To show them a couple of things, because last night it was so dark, but the whole way through is these beautiful villas, as you can see behind me. These were all the rich millionaires, billionaires live around here. These properties are situated on a beach, a private beach. Let's take you there now. Earlier on I showed you the street side.
Basically the front entrance of the house.
Yeah.
Now this is the back
side,
entrance.
One of the locals allowed us in, and he said we can have a quick tour of the actual private island.
Check out these villas, guys. Absolutely amazing on the beach. Living the dream. Some of the villas are still under construction, so just bear that in mind. I think we have a party going on at the moment.
In my future crib.
I thought you were going to say welcome to my crib. MTV.
So here it is. Look at these beautiful villas. This is a private Palm Island. That's one of our hotels over there. We've crossed over and we finally got in. Ooh, look at these properties now. See that? That's the millionaire, billionaire lifestyle. From what we showed you from the gym, these are the villas, by the way. We showed you firsthand.
Guys, check out these villas. Oh my god. So amazing. RJ, what do you reckon?
Beautiful, beautiful. Our 10-year plan begins now.
Oh, loving the sound of that. The lives that we can all live, guys. We can all live this life. Just need to work hard.
Work hard and play harder.